Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Israel and I work at Phoenix Community Center. The reason I'm making this video is so that you guys get to know me a little better. And anyone that knows me that I love my kids. And I love spending time with them. I love being a parent. I love being a parent because time with my kids is precious. My kids have helped me learn to be a better person and they give me hope. The more time I spend with my kids, the more opportunities I have to make an impact in their lives. This gives me hope. It gives meaning to my life. I feel like others should spend more time with their kids as well. This would result in a better parent-child relationship. Being a parent has taught me to be more patient. It has made me feel more at ease with myself and with others. I feel that we can always learn from anyone and it's a humbling experience to know that you can learn from your children. Their future is bright, and with proper support, they'll accomplish important things in life. This gives me hope and a sense of pride. Being hopeful gives you reason to believe that your kids will have a better life than you did. Why should you care? Because being a father is the most important job in the world. Thank you guys.